What up, y'all? Wasn't gonna film any of this since it was nighttime, but fuck it, I'll film a little clip. About to pick up a new exhaust. I've been eyeing this for a minute, and the guy hasn't sold it for a while, so fuck it, I'm about to swoop it. You guys are about to see, it's so fucking clean. Yes, sir. Didn't get a chance to film yesterday, but got back from that little trip to get that exhaust, and here it is. Welds. Full straight pipe. Let's go. Black Market Racing exhaust is like 1600 new. Crazy the deal I found. Got myself some Speed Logic outlets. And I just had to send it on this when I saw the deal pop up. That 1K intercooler, yes sir. Sheesh. Yep, stay tuned. Got a bunch of parts stacked up for the turbos. About to go get the install kit, engine mounts, and what else? Oil pan gasket. Because if I'm going to take the turbos out again, I want to just do all that because I haven't done it. But yeah, once I do all that, this shit can be running so good. Yes, sir. Hit you guys up soon. Out here at my mechanic. Sheesh, finally got a wash. Fucking sexy. Suspension, huh? Or your brakes?
No, it's the brake from the weather. I think a little rock.
Yeah. This is a Costello turbo. Trying to fit a Viv cartridge into it. Shit, so we can use the high flow manifold with the Viv turbo. Pretty much.
I think it'll work.
Seems to fit too. Sheesh.
See if it fits in this one. Hey, this, what are you doing?
I'm trying to film that shit. Yeah, we gotta take off the first one apart. There you go. This is the stock Viv ones. These are from the rebuild kit. The same, so shit. Looks like Viv has been updating their shit. Some quality. She's putting them back together. We didn't even have to rebuild them. All the parts are updated or something. Now I'm gonna take my bumper off here. Can take my intercooler off to put the bigger one I got over there. And maybe we'll take the exhaust off today. Here. Yep, just put my shit on the air. Sheesh, getting down. Fucking Rex is kicking it too. Fucking fool. Here. Fender liner off. You can see that ass fans cooler.
These are the bumpers.
Here.
So pick these up.
Yeah, got a bumper off. Here. This is a 5-inch or 5.5 inch by Vrsf. Tiny compared to this. 7.5 inch. Huge difference. Double the size. It's crazy. Here. Finally got this on. Took my old intercooler off, and the homie just came and bought it. Here. We undo the car. Shush. This fool got me working too. Connected the control arms and shit. Just took this off my bumper too. Show y'all a bit later, but here. Jeez, whole subframe coming down. Here. Oh fuck. Look it. Here. We got to the turbos, yes sir. Musty ass shit. You can see my trans pan. I haven't seen that in a bit. Shit, I need to do my oil pan. Look at that shit. Yup. There's the broken one. Yeah, here's a little comparison from the stock outlets to the upgrading. Huge difference. Crazy. The stock ones are all bent up and shit. It's all full flow. No restriction. Yeah. Turbo's about to come out next. Engine mount here. Subframe over there. Here. Yes. Finally got them all. Which one's the broken one? This one? it right there? Oh. Flat gas turbos. Just the insides. This one's good. Do you spin this one? Yeah, this shit spins really good. Just gotta rebuild the other one and someone could use it. Yeah. Looking the wastegates on? Sheesh. I'm about to paint the turbos? Fuck it. You know you can't see most of it, but I'll protect it. Where's that paint at? You put that there? Yeah. We better paint the housing. My homies turbos. Tight close. Sheesh. Too crazy. Gonna match this shit real good. Same my charge pipe, but it's the same material and it looks the same. This shit's gonna be crazy. Gotta connect it to the cartridge. Damn, she came out crazy. Sheesh, there you go, both of them. Crazy. Not even done yet. Stay tuned.